Hi. So this has been a totally amazing week. I hope you found this information valuable. We've had so many phenomenal speakers chat and share with how they use their essential oils in their home, in their farms, at their barns, in their animal rescues. There's so much that you can do with your animals. So now I want to share with you how you're going to get these into your home if you don't already have them. And maybe you want to start to work on a particular health goal with your own pet. So the very first kit that we've bundled together is called the Healthy Habits Kit for your pet. And within this kit, you are going to get all the essential oils and supplements to help regulate their microbiome, their digestive tract, to help calm them, for your flea and tick spray, for cuts and scrapes, for any type of digestive upset, ear cleaner, parasite control, oral care, that's a biggie, and any type of separation anxiety, thunderstorm anxiety, anxious behavior, all of that comes within this one kit. So who would like a DopeArc box, right? Who wants a subscription box for their pets? So let me show you what that kit looks like. So maybe you want to start by swapping out some basics. Maybe you've decided you want to work on your pet's nutrition and you want to start there. Or perhaps you want to swap out that toxic flea and tick product that you've been using. We have a flea and tick kit, whether you're already in doTERRA or you want to use it as an enrollment kit. Let me show you our flea and tick kit. So I know for some of those geriatrics out there, many people were commenting about Mia's amazing recovery from liver failure. And as we know, skin problems start from within. And so one of the biggest challenges with her was to get her liver under control so that we could get that skin under control. So maybe you have a senior pet who has irregular kidney or liver values and you want to detox that pet. We have a kidney and liver kit. You could start there. We also have, for that occasional aches and pains or that geriatric, which I have, our pain and inflammation kit. That's a great place to start. Work on what's most important to you and your pet right now. First, we're going to make sure you have the proper dilutions for your pet, and we're going to guide you every step of the way with recipes. So I hope you stay tuned for our masterclass and learn more about how to get these into your home and how to support your animals.